In every bay, a unique shade of blue. On all horizons, a new spectacle to behold. At each turn, a fresh opportunity to explore. For more than 5 centuries, the awe-inspiring sights of the British Virgin Islands and the friendly BVI Islanders who call this magical destination home have welcomed visitors to our shores. Still, many of our tales remain untold even to this day. Historic sights, world-class sailing, scenic beauty stretching across channels, shorelines and peaks. This is the British Virgin Islands. These are nature's little secrets, and today is your opportunity to see those secrets revealed. Arriving by air or sea, the beauty of the British Virgin Islands is apparent long before you've dropped anchor or stepped ashore. Sunlight sparkles on the crests of gently rolling waves, coral reefs beckon from below, and rock formations pierce the surface, reaching toward the clear skies above. Natural wonders come in every shape and size in the British Virgin Islands, none more mysterious than the baths. Among these impressive boulders, clear waters are captured in beachfront caves, forming natural grottos. The beach is divided, creating private places for quiet reflection. And high above, the Caribbean sun warms everything below. Throughout the British Virgin Islands, nature's little secrets continue to invigorate everyone who sets foot on our shores. With high peaks and a central location, Tortola is an excellent vantage point from which to view many of the islands of the BVI. In addition, it offers the area's most diverse collection of activities, making spontaneity second nature. Boutique shopping, world-class surfing, the casual luxury of Cane Garden Bay. All are found at your fingertips on this, the capital island of the BVI. On Virgin Gorda, the beauty of the British Virgin Islands is on full display. Over each ridge lie new bays, secluded coves, and unforgettable beaches, including the baths themselves. Anegada. Translated, it means drowned island. But to the many visitors here, Anegada means something else entirely. Lobster. These tempting crustaceans are prepared in seafood feasts, served along endless shores and enjoyed amongst the simple beauty of an island largely undeveloped by man. These are the attractions that inspire locals and guests alike to brave the challenging course through Anegada's offshore reefs time and time again. The waters around Joost van Dyke are certainly an attraction, but it's the liquid pouring forth from bottles and blenders that draws sailors here. At legendary bars, painkillers are mixed, friendships are forged, and stories are shared with fellow travelers and friendly locals alike. Of all the secrets you'll discover here, it's the warmth of the BVI Islanders you'll remember most clearly. In colorful villages, at luxurious accommodations on land and sea, and everywhere else a sailboat, yacht, or your imagination might take you among our 60-storied islands. Smiling faces await the chance to turn tourists into friends in the blink of an eye. With open arms, we share our culture. And with open hearts, we share the secrets of the British Virgin Islands with all who journey here. Who you share them with is up to you.